Morning, Adley, AJ, Looney, Jag, Saya. Morning, guys. Good luck, everybody.
PDD was an SSR.
That's Michael.
Look at that thing.
Michael.
PDD got screwed yesterday.
Stop it. Like everything's SSR.
Apple's not, if you want to short that.
PDD.
That's a risky one. Apple's on these too. They're saying Apple might drag the market up today. Because it's a big portion of the market.
Stem. No volume, but it's moving.
And no volume. Capital M. I'm watching this Apple for some sort of a pullback. I don't normally screw with it, but with news, man, it's kind of tempting. Damn, PDD made a hell of a move.
I just made a little bit on XM. It's not pretty, but. And I probably should have stayed in, but it's getting jumpy.
Order
XM
cancelled.
I'm
I
okay
tried
with it.
PDD, but I tried to get it higher.
No fill.
Yeah, I was at 49.81.
Oh, fuck me. What happened, Thomas? I hit the wrong freaking button. I was in PDD. My average was 49.55. Oh. That's alright. It might work out. I ended up bottom taking it. It looks like.
XM dollar. PDD dollar.
Just made a little on Snap.
PHMN and earnings.
Freaking the SPY, it's over 380.
Oh, no.
Carrot.
Wish I stayed in XM. Damn. all the way back down.
XMLNT.
I feel like none of these gave that like extra
AAM.
push.
No.
We're all just working.
man.
Watching AA.
Kind of getting the same thing. Like, not seeing that.
PDDLNT. PHMLNT.
Any of them. I think everything's questioning the validity of what's happening in this buy.
Yeah.
God, I would need so much more on that AA.
Yeah, I didn't like the volume so much in it. I like the extension.
Yeah.
I was watching CLS, but there was no volume in it.
CLS? Oh,
CLS. Charlie Lima Sam.
yeah, I'm looking at that.
Coming up at
No
coming
volume.
up at
And I
10,
said,
the
"Ew,
Richmond
ew."
Manufacturing Index.
Yeah, because the
for
volume was bad, but
October.
it started going up nice. Said, okay, it gets closer to 12, it'll be good, but then there's no volume.
I still find the EU to be an accurate statement.
It is.
Dude, I'm gonna be honest, like AMD is up in that sell area, but I think this buy is gonna this buy's breaking out clearly. I think this market might go a little bit. We might get our bounce day finally.
PHM dollar.
I'm not feeling the stronger to short it without it.
Look
kind
at
of
PDD.
confirming.
My PDD's just dying.
No, PDD was a tough one, no SSR, you know.
Yeah.
I hate that shit. I want to be able to trade it where I want to trade it, how I want to trade it, when I want to trade it. Add in on the backside. Yeah, dude.
Shares
Yeah.
of Workhorse Group, WKHS getting a pop here. Company issued a patent. Land vehicles incorporating removable powertrain units and methods. Therefore, that's Whiskey Kilo Hotel Sandy.
ADTN nibble. PHM out all, no fights on earnings.
Damn, your AMD's running.
Yeah, I'm watching it. That's kind of a hard one to buy right here. I kind of need to pull back and then go back up. Can't long
XXII
it
go
below
go go.
there. That's the frustrating part. I can't long it here. I could long it up above 60-20, but not extended. So that would have to come and chill itself out. Probably gonna retest this 59.50 area. I just don't feel the urge to short that one.
MTHP, traders circulating a mention from Gordon Haskett that large activist investor is buying up microchip tech shares. That's Michael Charlie Hotel Papa. Shares at 63.15 now, up about 1.3%. off the highs. Michael Charlie Hotel pop up. Seeing now the weekly $65
Carrot
call
ramen
in
so far.
MCHP.
I'm not turn my freaking heater on soon. It's freezing in the house.
CGC 24K TV.
Was it like 74 in your house?
TLRY 424K
Dude, I gotta
TV.
take off PDD. I can't sit here and watch this.
Hold up, rats. I like
Oh shit, AMD. What the fuck? Let's go AMD.
Yeah, that thing's on fire, huh?
AA ad.
AEHR, if you got them, could be interesting.
It's the fucking volume.
Terrific, Tim.
It's like sometimes I try to talk and just nothing comes out.
I can hear that.
We figured out yesterday. We got the little guy tested.
SFST, Southern
It's
First
the
Bank
normal
Guarantee
flu.
$1.04, Sammy Foxtrot.
No COVID, none of the other stuff, just normal flu.
Yeah, I'd almost rather have COVID.
I know, I don't remember
My
feeling this
daughter
bad during COVID.
MCHP,
I had COVID and it wasn't that bad.
Microchip Technology
Flu
shares
sucks.
just under $64 now, 2.5% on that mention from Gordon Haskett.
I have to say, my fingers are like, what the hell are you doing this morning? All this fucking typing.
Microchip shares now at the high 64.
It's like I'm going through tickers, but nothing's giving me.
0.6%.
Hey, man.
BA Boeing, Saudi Arabia, and CEO, Saudia CEO says in talks with Airbus and Boeing for aircraft orders. That's Bravo Alpha.
CALX on earnings, thinking plus 72. AAN earnings.
You're shorts on the AHR or no?
Yeah. On 475K. I was watching the CALX. It's better to me than that one. SPY's breaking out right now.
Yeah, back over 380s.
BBC and Disney branded television joined forces on Doctor Who. Disney Plus to become new global home for upcoming seasons of Doctor Who outside the UK and Ireland. That's Delta India Sandy.
Dang, so should have tried to get in that CALX.
CALX dollar.
Just can't play those, man. There's like no volume.
RUM Rumble, the January 2024 calls. That's Romeo Uniform Michael, RUM.
Love it. Great work, dude.
That bitch. CALX. 7014. Good lord.
Just a, what, 66 cent spread or something, 63 cent spread on that thing?
Yeah. Watching Eton.
3M, MMM, 3M executive says in Q4 disposable respirators will be down, and that creates a headwind of 180 basis points. That's Michael. Shares of Rumble popping here to the highs, $8.07.
$7.50, you think?
Full activity and Romeo
Yeah,
Uniform
I'd want to see
Michael.
like 760, but
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna.
It's hard to picture Piton down
Up's
here
up.
in the sevens.
What's next?
No.
Hey.
Upstart's kind of straight up, and daily looks like dog shit.
TNE.
UPST.
Took a little long in AMD. I didn't make a lot. I'm a little losing patience with that thing. What is it?
STNE through 11. Looking for it. Look at
Funny that has no volume.
Spy's going
I
for
was
it.
right. Good lord, none of these stocks have volume that you're going out.
Hey, that's a STNE is almost $1 million.
TNE is 800,000. Not for me, bruh. AA probably is $1 million. That does.
Just barely.
Just barely. Yeah, it's just not that impressive volume-wise, man. Fucking Apple.
It's all Apple.
That thing's the one that's freaking squeezing. Ah, you piece of shit.
With some volume.
With a lot of volume.
AA waiting. Same with ADTN.
Pull back on Apple though. Quick bathroom break.
All companies are popping.
The way I'm feeling is like, if this is day one of something, I'm fucking too eager to go balls to the wall. See if this shit continues. SPY is like literally a little bit of a breakout.
That's crazy.
PSNY up.
PSNY, Polestar getting a pop here to the high on a spike in volume. Pakistani November Yankee.
Chris, have anything on PSNY?
Not much. 200K. Trying to get into it.
Have anything?
SSR.
Yeah.
Order filled.
No way, another SSR stock. Shocker. It's like they make sure to put everything on SSR before the breakout day. Let's make sure these are hard to trade to borrow. Alright. So when you say oil stocks, you mean like Oxy? You win Upstart Town?
Starter PSNY.
PSNY.
Carrot.
You're on PSNY.
You get about 85.
86.
That's good.
I was looking for 66 for the flush.
Permian gas prices go negative for the first time in 2 years.
CALX out all.
I don't know what that means. Gas prices going negative.
Oh, SPY came back to the small pullback now, 382.
NUTX up 370 KTB.
Europe's stocks 600 index at the highest level since September 22nd.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
PSNY dollar as we go.
Order cancelled.
Put a trail on, is that what you just said?
Yeah. Oh, I forgot I didn't have push to talk on. I guess it doesn't matter because I haven't been talking much. I had it all to come off at 66, but it only got to 68. So I took half when it went back through 70. So I just put a trail for the rest.
You have anything on ape?
Yeah, I was just pulling that up. Yeah, we got plenty. Isn't that the like ETF or something?
It's AMC Entertainment something. So it's something with AMC. I don't know what it is.
It's just weird because it never
Shares
comes
they
up with a
created for the
float.
idiots.
Yeah.
And AMC, of course, is doing something too, I think. Yeah, they look identical.
Ape up. AMC 115K. Ape plenty.
Unreal.
It's funny. Ape is SSR, AMC is not.
Yeah.
I just wish we had more shares on AMC.
Today.
I'd
What was
rather
that?
trade AMC.
NUTX dollar on way. PSNY dollar.
Took a long an apple today, which is not something I normally do. But
SABR started.
hold on to it.
Order filled. Bulletin received.
PSNY trail. Samsies.
I've traded Apple like once before in my life. She was working.
Wish we would have more shares on AMC. I would have played that one. I don't think I want to play this ape.
Boy, it's how funny stupid thoughts can jump in your head. I'm looking at AA and I was like, you know, this may be the top. It may start curling over. I can do one and done. It's like, why would you do that, stupid ass?
AUPH maybe go
Totally
go
over
through
it.
7.50.
Yeah.
Richmond Manufacturing Index minus 10.
Hey, what's up, Jay? It's DOS. DOS Trader platform. It's not confusing once you get used to it.
NUTX dollar.
Minus 8.
It does
Previously?
look handy.
Yeah. Agreed. But it does look extended as well from the bottom where it, came from. So I was trying to talk myself into it, and it was like, no. You're not doing this.
SABR took all. Happy meal.
CB Consumer Confidence.
SOBRHTB.
102.5 versus September 107.8.
I am trying to hold on to this thing, man, but this is
You guys have anything on SOBR?
No.
EBMT.
I don't know
Eagle
what the hell it's doing. We're jumping all over the
Bancorp,
fucking place.
Montana, 41 cents. The estimate was 50 cents for Echo Bravo Michael Tango. UG United Guardian naming a new president and CEO, Uniform Golf.
NUTX Trail.
Hello, can you go?
alright. Took that off. Okay, win on that.
PSNY done.
Comfortable playing it. Apple.
Oh, you actually played that?
I said it multiple times.
Why
I
did
don't normally-
I took it that you wanted to play it, but you only played it once in your life. So I didn't. Did you in it?
Oh, I said I was in it. I said I'm taking an uncomfortable position along an apple. I don't normally play this. But it turned out okay. Made a little money. It's okay. Wish I would have taken it down here. That's a little frustrating, but move on, Donkey Kong. Oh, and of course she explodes back up. Yeah, I just don't know really how that thing trades. And I feel she's weirdly moving the SPY today, though.
Watching Pack B if it can get some movement.
I never looked at the
8:30.
oil stocks. That's an oil stock, right?
From bioscience.
That's I have no idea.
Let's see what Ox is doing. Damn, this AA just keeps going, but doesn't look like anything on the trade. I'm gonna keep Apple and watch. Oh, AMD. You want to break out today, don't you?
Pac B never got there, huh?
Oh,
The crazy thing is a lot of this shit looks like it's trying to break out over these previous levels, but it's not doing anything with conviction,
No.
which that makes you
Ugh.
shouldn't be in it even long. And you don't want to short it because if it decides, hey, yeah, we're going, those will fuck you. So I'm gonna wait until the market decides what's going on. And I don't know what the temperature is in my house, but I normally keep it at 74, so I guarantee you it's lower than that.
maybe you're just getting sick.
There's 40 degrees out now. It got cold, dude. Yesterday it got windy and temperatures dropped by like 35, 40 degrees overnight.
61 degrees
40
here for
degrees
some
out
reason.
right now. I'm colder than you are right now.
Yeah, it's weird.
And 40 degrees, that is chilly. That is a chilly day. And I don't have heater on, so the house is probably at like 50 something. 58. 60. Kind of sitting here like maybe I should go put a jacket on.
Turn the heat on, get that funky smell for the first time this year.
Wait on that. And try to go without any utilities for a couple weeks. It's kind of the nice part about it going into the winter time is you can save a little on electricity for a while.
MMM 3M CFO says see strong dollar to continue to have a headwind on 2022 earnings. That's Michael.
I went and got a sweatshirt, man. It broke down. Anything crack-a-lackin'?
BZ's moving, but under a million volume, it's SSR. It isn't that great.
There's a lot of frustrating things. That looks like something Thomas would be getting interested in, but
Needs a shit ton more volume.
yeah. It's got that little ramping up look to it. Seen you take them under a mil.
Yeah. Needs more volume.
Weber, no shorts though, but it's trying to push. Well, for a lot of shit moving, I don't like a lot of these charts. See, I really like that AA if it got over like 41.50.
Dude, I had it up and was watching it. If it, from that last, let's see, I'd have to go to the 1 minute. If it would have attempted high day and failed, that looked like a entry there.
If it would have attempted it now, after it made that high day.
Yeah, after it made that high day and then it broke down a little bit.
Trying to get
Either one of
John
those
some ounce.
last 3 minute candles. If one of those
Maybe
would have attempted a
reuse
high day push and failed,
I got you.
that area.
I think this pisses me off because it's not like far enough over its like VWAP, over. I like to see room there. And that's the thing, is nothing's really presenting that today. I mean, honestly, Apple kind of had some room there, but that's scary. I'm just not comfortable with this one yet. Maybe one day.
Upstart's trying again.
Upstart. Yeah. Dude, I hate this shit that off the bottom.
Oh, we actually don't have any shares.
Oh, really?
UPSTHTB.
Sleek. Dude, every chart is literally off the very bottom. Besides A. There was a closer bottom recently.
I only got 2 penny stocks up.
see him.
I got AG and up, but
Mine are
Well-
NutX, NUTX, and PTPI.
Penny bitty.
PI is a penny stock now.
PTPI.
Not PPPI, PTPI. I don't think
Yeah.
we've ever traded this. If we have, I don't remember it. Mara's kind of pushing. Thomas, you might get interested. No, fuck, we don't have shares, dude.
There's so many tickers that look like Mars chart right now. It's disgusting. They all look like this, and they're just not pushing.
No, they start.
Mara looks like it was about to maybe give a push, and then it said nope, nope.
Yeah, I mean that's what they're all doing.
Yeah. We don't have shares on anyone, so it doesn't matter. But oh, dude, all of these charts are literally off the very bottom.
They all
So
suck.
that makes it tough too. Well, today was better than yesterday. We made a trade. Dude, I'm done. If I haven't made a trade in the first hour and a half, 2 hours, I'm fucking done. I'm not sticking around all day to watch nothing happen and waste my day. That's why I got out of here yesterday. I was like, fuck this. It's been 2 hours I haven't had a trade.
That's when you know you're in a good spot.
What?
You have the ability to do that. I'm just saying.
Well, that is. I mean, that's just because this is what I do. It kind of sucks because I want to make money every day, but I'm not gonna sit
NUTX
here
again.
for 6 hours when in the first busiest time of the day, where I normally can make all my money, I can't make any money. I'm not going to assume it's getting better from there.
Right, right. Oh no,
It's
I'm
just-
jelly.
MSI, Motorola.
You went home with a
Solutions,
paycheck last
Wires,
night. I didn't.
Thompson.
I'm jelly.
That's Michael Sandy, India, MSI.
Not technically. You know, I would imagine Devin has a way to, in case he doesn't make money, he has money coming in. So you didn't make
Eric
money
Thompson
from
on that
what
deal.
you do, but
The
you have it on
primary
stream.
thing to do. I got you. Of course, I come here every day and I want to see money coming in.
For sure.
Just like all of us. Yeah, there's pros and cons. But the one thing for sure is I don't want to burn out in the fucking slow times. And then when it gets busy, I'm just like, ugh, yeah, I'm so burnt out. So I would rather just be done and move on. And when it picks up, be like, alright, I'm here for it. I was kind of starting to feel that way, like I was burning out.
Yeah, but when you really think about it on the larger scale, because we treat this as a business, the overhead in this business is so extremely low. You know, imagine the vape shop. You still got lease, employees.
And products, you know, everything you gotta pay for.
I was listening to a podcasting yesterday, and one guy, he was like, "Oh, I started out a YouTube channel." He was like, "I was spending $1,000 to $2,000 per video to make it, you know, when I started." And it's like, ugh, I can't imagine spending money to make videos. But I mean, it's a little different for them, I guess, because you know they're trying to make like actual entertainment / content.
Yeah. There are people that almost treat it like they've built their own TV show. They're gonna have to spend money.
But it just makes me feel dumb because it's like, well, if I ever want YouTube to work, I'm sitting over here just making videos basically for free while I make money trading the stock market. It's like, it's kind of silly on my end of things. It's like asking to have your cake and eat it too. Like me expecting to throw out these videos with basically no production value and
But
expecting
think
them
you're
to do
gonna
well.
make what they do.
Yeah.
I guess.
Well, it's actually funny because I also saw another video of a guy who had like 600,000 subscribers and he was going over like what he makes, and he's in like such a niche like category that he gets tons of views, likes, comments, you know, all that stuff. Has 600,000 subscribers, you know, getting 20,000+ views per video, etc. But he only makes like $300 a month on YouTube.
Because nobody really cares about
Well, it's like the people care, but the advertisers don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
So a lot of it has to do with that as well.
Yeah, I think if you know the competition is, you know, probably putting a lot more into it than you are, and you gotta just limit your expectations, I guess, from it. Don't expect to make what they make. You're not gonna put in what they put in.
Well, yours is just basically really a video journal.
Yeah.
But I think he wanted to turn it into money.
No, not complete. No, I'm not looking, you know, to make, you know, crazy money. I don't want like my main income stream to be YouTube, but I'd like it to be something. Like where like right now it's nothing.
Make it worth doing the video.
Right. Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
Like if you made an extra $10,000 a year, $8,000 a year, you'd be like, oh, that's cool.
Right.
At least
Yeah. Exactly.
I'm getting a little something out of it. Even if it's
NUTX dollar.
5,000, you know, I mean, at least it's something.
Yeah. Yeah. But right now
You get
it's
nothing,
like
you're just kind of like,
1,000.
why do I do this?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know how that works, man. I mean, I think back in the day, you probably could have done it with that, but now because there's so many people that are putting a lot into it, that's kind of become what you do.
The only time I'll put more money back into is like if I want to upgrade equipment, or like eventually if I want to make videos and not edit them, like I'd hire someone to edit videos. I think that's probably about it.
WEBRHTB.
Jag, you have someone,
Jack
Weber?
Weber.
Yeah.
WEBR, if you have them.
Nope. Do not have. You guys don't have them either at all?
Obviously, they wouldn't be calling you out for it. They did. They'd be
It's not even
trading.
that great at the moment,
I'd
but
have to
it
go
was
record
looking,
that at least.
yeah, it's looking like it could.
Did you do your update on this thing too, Tim? So you get the hard to borrow symbol or whatever?
Guess not.
AUPH pennies on a trail.
No,
What is it?
I guess.
Now, like the new update, like if you look at something, like if I look at Weber, it comes up HTB where the short would be.
That's cool.
And Thomas did his, so he has it too. So they obviously did it for us as well. I haven't done it, so I was just asking if you had done it. What you thought?
And that's the only thing I
I
noticed.
didn't know about it.
That's the only thing you noticed.
Yeah. Nothing else seems
Other
to.
than that, it's the exact effing same.
I'm sure there's probably something else in there somewhere. But whatever.
You just haven't seen it. You get comfortable using it how you use it, and then you just don't notice the other random little shits. dude.
So there's a.
Buys kind of go into a little holding pattern up here.
A little bit sways.
Apple as well.
NVAC Shrine.
A little bit. A little bit.
Up through the $0.50.
Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a god. Mess, hopeless, more tests. More blessed. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna
I want to look at him back.
Oh, not really.
No. I just pulled it up. I'm like, nope. I do not want to go.
I mean, if it could have kept going at the highs there, but it didn't.
Dude, I cannot believe this freaking cat came back after 4 months. What the fuck?
Probably pregnant.
No, let's fix.
That's what you think.
Yeah, we got it from the pound, which they fixed them all, but. I think it just got cold and she was like, fuck this.
Could be that too.
You're like, I ain't living out here in this.
Missed up. NUTX Trail.
EE Accelerate Energy and German government signed
IST could get
FSR
over
use charter
6.
agreement. That's Echo.
In a
Echo.
nice fluid motion. It might be worthwhile.
He said fluid.
Shares popping to the highs, 26.70.
Missed daily.
Squirt right over 6.
You just got some random. Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that. Just ignore me. Pretend I'm not here. Do what you always do, Tim.
Charlie.
Yeah, Charlie fucking calling shit out that doesn't mean anything. Swear to God, Charlie gets bored.
I gotta make my money. I gotta say something.
Yeah, look at that. Really, Charlie? Dude, I love this time of year when it starts cooling down. It feels so good.
PDD is down to basically almost low a day. Actually, it's below a day. I went up to 49 something. Now it's at 46. It's crazy.
Just PDD doing PDD things.
Yes.
Miss Pennies, Trail.
Decided I had enough.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove.
That?
Won't you pull me closer?
Maybe we can get some fucking momentum back in this market eventually. That'd be fun, huh? Wouldn't that be cool, guys?
Crazy.
Oh, dude, I miss it so much, man. Miss that excitement of coming in, seeing what's moving, getting all pumped up, maybe taking a pre-market trade. I don't remember the last pre-market trade I took.
Leave it there for now.
That's been a long time.
I've probably been leaving earlier, man, because I'm realizing I'm not coming in excited anymore. I'm kind of like, bullshit we do it today, and I don't want to have that mentality, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take off and be done if it's not giving me anything. One day I'll come in and I'll be excited again. I think that's how you burn the fuck out, is staring at nothing happening all day for a month or two, and you're like, fuck this.
Yeah.
I literally started to worry that I could burn out on this and like be like, I don't want to do this shit anymore.
Yeah. Why is it high a day? Still in PSNY, Tim?
Yeah. It's weird. I had my stop at 61, but I wasn't watching it. And there's that little wick that went up to 64, but it didn't stop me out.
Yeah.
I don't know. Be pretty pissed if it didn't stop me out and it was up at like $5, you know?
Yeah.
One of those reasons, set it and forget it, doesn't ever sit right with me. I'm always afraid, what if it doesn't? What if somehow it doesn't?
I'm pretty sure if it wasn't a spike, it would have filled me. Yeah.
I know, but I was worried. Like, if I don't
And if
see
it continued higher, it would have filled me too. I think it was just because it was like some random spike. It might not even have been real.
Spike. Yeah. Ooh, it's shitty. And still, we can't imagine like not knowing for sure. Maybe one day. I think I would have to have that FU money that I don't give a fuck. You know, it doesn't matter if it does that.
I mean, it's also extreme leftovers at that point. If I'm ever trailing and not paying attention to it.
You don't have a lot sitting in it.
Yeah.
You're not sitting there with 1,000 shares and something, but like, oh, I'm not going to look at this anymore.
No. Well, I mean, at some point, that could be like extreme leftovers. I mean, you know.
That could be. And that's what I'm saying. You'd be at a different level. You'd be at a different mindset.
Totally crazy. Extreme leftovers, 1,000 shares.
Right.
One
I
day.
started with 20, so down to 1,000.
I mean, if you're playing something with, you know, the range isn't that great and you're taking the bigger share size, I mean, you might be starting with 5,000 shares.
Yeah, at that point, you already made really good money on it.
Yeah.
God, I don't like a lot of these charts. It's kind of nice to see the market as a whole doing something different.
Now it's just got to hold to a degree, not just drop down to the 360s.
Yeah, that's what we need. Is it not? Honestly, we want it to stay above like 378, 379. 380 would be even better. I'd say if it holds about 379, that would be a good sign for a little.
People are definitely
momentum
skeptical
coming.
though, because looking at the daily,
Yeah,
you'd
no
think
shit.
that people would be throwing some money into all this other stuff, but it's just not happening.
That's what I'm saying. I think today a lot of people are like, is this real? Is it breaking out? I don't know. It is a new high, I mean, but it did make a new low too before it did this shit.
Well, a lot of people, they're not putting the money in because they need it to live because of inflation.
Yeah.
That's part of the life too.
And hold that 40.
That is also part of life.
Bed Bath and Beyond could get interesting. Why?
Yeah. I got an HTB on it.
Oh, I got to get into that.
Yeah, I'm into.
AMPX is just grinding up now. The bottom. High a day. Not pre-market high, but high a day.
Yeah, it says right there, updated level 1 short indicator display format. Locate status short or SHTB. What is SPB?
I don't know. I haven't seen that one.
Then SSR alt status.
Oh, the halt status is in there now. That's nice.
And it says P-T. I don't know what the difference between P and T is, but
You're talking about, it says that under the halt status?
so like where the S is, I think that it would put a P or a T there when it's halted.
Oh, pause. Pause trading, maybe.
And maybe trading resumed or whatever.
Oh yeah,
Or
I
trade-
thought they already did
pause and
that.
then
I
trading.
feel like I've already seen that. Like it would just be like after a dot.
Yeah.
Because like if trading resumed, it would say like S.T.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it said something too, to be honest. Dude, just getting the frickin' the status of where it's gonna open is kind of nice. Makes it worth doing it. How do you do this? I've never done that.
BBBY up.
I did it once. I think.
For IB, I'll get you the link, but you got to go to the link to get it.
Oh, okay. Where do you get the link?
I have
from?
like a download page. I think I got it from DOS at one point. I saved it.
What does it do?
You're just talking about downloading the update, right?
Yeah, I'm saying, how do you do the update?
Oh, you can go to tools.
Can you do the auto update on IB? I've never
Yeah.
tried it. Oh,
Oh,
well, there you
I
go.
can't find. It should be under tools, and then you go about halfway down. There's an auto upgrade button.
Yeah,
I don't know
auto
if
upgrade.
IB. You think you would
I'm
though?
gonna try it.
Yeah,
Auto
try it. Let me know.
upgrade. I'm gonna try it. I mean, what's the worst it's gonna do?
Well, they're not gonna give you like a beta version or anything, so
No.
they're gonna
Auto
give you something they
upgrade.
know is working. And Thomas said he already has it, so.
I'm not nervous about doing it. I didn't do it. I'll do it after the market. The activated on it, but then I'm like,
It's only gonna. It only takes like 30 seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
But if I fuck something up, it's gonna take longer.
Thomas is already doing it. Look, I'm watching BBBY to get in, and I'll do it. You're sitting there doing nothing.
You're actually wrong. I was urinating, listening to your lovely voice as I.
Guess what? I'm already
Yes.
updated.
Nice. Do you have the hard to borrow?
Well, not on the ones I'm looking at, but I am watching BBBY.
Move through 5.
GME's pushing a little bit too. Oh, BBBY,
Order filled.
welcome to the world.
Of course, that's the one that's gonna give a nice push, and I got a H hard to borrow.
How many shares do you see there? I see like 300K, 10.
Yeah, same. 323.
A little momentum.
Order filled.
Did you get that?
Yeah, man.
Order filled.
SMID,
I'll take
Smith,
it.
Midland, North Carolina signs record $8.6 million contract. Sandy
In.
Michael, India Delta.
I was tempted. Then I wasn't.
I'm talking too long.
Carrot.
What are you watching, Jag, since you can't trade that one?
I'm watching it.
In.
Because there's nothing else really to watch. So let's see it break under 5.
He's catching up. AMD is coming down.
No, spy's down a little bit.
No, not really. I think as long as that holds about 379, that's healthy. But we'll see what happens. We're in that market where you don't fucking know what's gonna happen.
Order filled.
I think they were saying some news was supposed to be released today. I don't know if any of the
LNT.
news hounds in the room know what that was.
Dollar.
Does anybody know DT hasn't been here for a few days?
It's here yesterday.
Was it?
Yeah, because we were talking about Formula One stuff.
Oh, maybe that's why. Dev it out. Second I hear that kind of stuff, I don't even know who's talking anymore. I'm just not listening.
Order filled.
I took it off. It feels like they're trying to hold it above 5.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the one drop down to the 9 and said, I'm going back up.
Took it off. Feels like they want to hold it up for now.
I liked it if I got into the 40s or so. 40s, 50s would be nice.
Yeah, I'd be willing to get back in. I'd want to see a bigger run.
$165K there now.
About half the shares that we started with. Well,
What was it before? 335K.
So everybody's jumping in. Kind of hungry.
Yikes.
Little momentum today. I mean, a little better. I'm not gonna get excited, but happy to see something. I will be excited the day that I come in and see some stock just going fucking bananas in pre-market. And that's
Yeah,
the
like-
day I will be like,
and not like a penny stock, like a $5 stock
like
up
a-
all
yeah, like a
$1,000%.
$7, $8 stock
Yeah.
just going fucking crazy. I'm gonna be like, here it is. I've been waiting for you. Every morning I look at my pre-market list and I go, bullshit. You just see that stock with 3-4 million in pre-market and volume. Oh, dude, I miss it. That's those days you can come in.
Finally ran into one, Devin.
What?
Look in the chat.
Was it a stock?
Oh, hard to borrow.
Oh, you got one. HTB. That's weird. So instead of no S, you get the HTB now.
Yeah.
Well, instead of a blank nothing,
No,
it gives you the
there's no
HTB.
S,
Yeah.
nothing there.
Yeah.
Some of them will still have nothing.
And you just did the auto upgrade then?
Yep. Took 20 seconds. It took you going to the bathroom.
Do I have to click update?
Yes. Yeah. It'll pop a window up and then you hit update or upgrade or whatever it says.
It says receiving file.
But then you have to log all the way out of DOS at the end and retype in your password, Devin. You may want to hold off.
Oh my god.
What you made me do? I'm gonna stop the update. I'm not gonna do it. I'm hungry, man. I want some eggs. I'm excited.
I just thought of that. I was like, man, I'm hungry. And I looked at what time and it was like, no, I can't eat. It's 9:45.
I know it's a little early, but I'm like, hungry, man. Oh, man.
Jeremy Hunt to remain UK Finance Minister, that in a government statement.
Yeah, that'll be pretty dope when we have one of those days that go a little bananas.
I'm not gonna know what to do. It'll be too hectic.
I might not on the first day, dude. I don't even know how my reaction will be. Like, I'm hoping I just, like, I'm like, what the f-? Can I dive right in? But I think I will, dude. I've been missing momentum so much.
Still
I
in.
think I'll get excited.
Average 5.07 SL 5.23.
Like, I will just zoom in on one
BBBY,
fucking
dead
chart
man
with
to
momentum.
the
I
eye.
won't even care about anything
REVB.
else.
Weekly $5 calls active. Bravo, 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 Yankee.
BBY? Is that doing something?
No. It is.
What is it? Best Buy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oof, Best Buy shirt, man, that looks nuts.
A nice dump there on BBBY.
Oh yeah. Why couldn't he give you that?
It was pretty close to that, I guess, sort of.
Yeah, true.
Had to wait for it. It sure felt like they were trying to hold it up.
BBBYLNT.
I have it right.
BBBY dollar.
Did you guys read all the stuff? Because I didn't.
No. I never read it.
Alright, what chart were you looking at, Tim, with the weird thing?
CGC.
Hey, HTB. Now we need to see a halted chart and see if we actually have the what do you call that?
Well, go to MAAQU.
Is that halted?
Yep.
MAAQU?
And Mary Apple Q U.
I got it. What the fuck is this shit?
So I have HTB SSRP.
I have weirder shit than that. I have SSR PV X. I need my glasses to read all this shit. PVX DZ? What the fuck is this?
I don't know.
What does that even mean?
Anyway. It's got 100 share volume for the day. You're okay.
Well, no, I just don't know what all that means. Tim, did you look at that?
Yeah, he's
Thoughts
not
on Rumble?
He just came back.
What's the ticker?
Mary Apple Quebec uniform.
Mine says short SSR halted.
Mine says short SSR dot PVXDZ.
Mine doesn't have anything after P.
Weird.
Yeah, see, and I have the HTB instead of the S.
It's probably the virus they installed.
No, cool. So I'm glad I got that. I wanted the virus.
They give it to 1 out of every 4 that upgrade.
That's so sweet of them. And Best Buy is something I'm not gonna trade. AMD. She looks like she wants to hold.
Even cooler if they put an option where you could like put the amount of shares next to the S. You didn't have to click it.
That would be dope. Isn't it?
That would be something.
That would be incredible.
House getting filled.
They don't love us that much, Tim.
And I don't feel like getting on them about something like that because I don't need it.
Is what?
Because it's not, I don't think it would be that big of a deal since we check it with, since it's not always updated anyway.
It's not accurate either way, so.
My thoughts
It'd be
on
nice to see,
Rumble
like, even
are,
if it's
I
worth
don't
checking,
really pay
if it's
attention to
1,000,
it at
we know
all,
we don't
so
have.
I don't really have
Then
any
you don't
thoughts.
have to bother
I see
going
people
to
over
the
for
other
Joe
thing and
laughing their
checking, I
face.
guess.
About what? So many things.
In busy times, it might become something of interest. Right now, when there's only one chart moving, maybe. It doesn't really matter, I don't think. Dude, that SPY is looking relatively strong today. But all this shit made these moves and everything just kind of went sideways at the highs. You see anything interesting, Jag?
No. I'm trying to find
Watching OUST. I'd want it up. I mean, it's only $1, but I'd want it up at like $1.33 or something.
$1 million.
Just doesn't feel like it's gonna, have the juice.
There's OLPX too. It needs to get more, but
Oof. That's a scary looking chart. Oh, that's different. Oh, I found something else that's different on that. That is, what the fuck?
what?
What does it mean?
I was like, are you just gonna tease us or?
I'm trying to figure
You're
something out.
gonna share.
Hold on, let me pull up another chart. Yeah, that is, I don't know why it made this different. I don't have like my, I don't have pre-market on one of my charts. And it made the line separators totally different. And I kind of like it.
So all my lines and stuff are the same.
Yeah, that's weird. Well, you don't have this probably because you have pre-market and everything. So I have one chart with no pre-market, but I have the day separator on it still, so I can kind of see it where the day ends. Because I like to put it on like a 30-minute chart. And, oh, but on the 30 it's the same. That's it's only on the 60. That's weird. Huh.
I'll be right back.
There's one thing this world. Don't hate it. Cats are weird, man.
Do you remember how you held me thin? Now you got me reaching.
People that own cats are even weirder.
I agree, man.
More weird.
You got me falling in more times than I
Grammar Nazi.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't even think that is the right thing to say there.
I think weirder is correct. I think you can say that.
Weirder. This is my son, my oldest. He's learning to read and he's, exploring with his words and stuff. And he adds ed to a lot of stuff. And it's like, no, that doesn't. Like I hunted it. It's like, no, it's just I hunt.
Or I hunted.
Well, no. Well, let me think of a better one. Just, let me think.
I pooped it. I shitted in my pants.
It's basically like all the words that are, I guess, past tense. Like, I don't know, like collapsed. Like he'd be like, I collapsed it. It's like, no, it's just collapsed. I'm trying to think of one that doesn't end in ed though. 'Cause there's a bunch of them. And he thinks that because it doesn't end in ed that he has to add the ed, but you don't.
Faceted.
Yeah, what if we drove past the McDonald's?
Yeah, like he would say pasted.
McDonald's?
Well, he'd be like, I pasted the
Oh,
like
okay.
talking Minecraft. That's kind of usually what he's talking about. Like I pasted this
Okay.
tree, and it's like, no, I just passed. I passed that tree. Yeah, that's a good
That's
example.
true, yeah.
But even then, that ends in
How
ed
to do that shit.
because that's
It
that's
does,
P A
but
S
it
S
doesn't
E
make the
D.
sound.
Yeah.
You know, where a lot of stuff makes the sound
All out PSNY.
catered.
I'm all out of PSNY.
Needed.
Came up and got me.
Hey, buddy.
Imagine David's still in AA, huh?
AA?
Yeah, he is. He never said he got out.
That one looks fun. Hot.
Yeah, no.
I am planning on going to the gym today. Yesterday was leg day, man. Leg day is the worst freaking thing ever. I hate working out.
Yeah, we could tell.
They're actually getting pretty thick, but I still don't get excited. I'm like, I don't like the way it feels. I like to be able to walk. Walking's good. When I'm walking down the stairs at the gym and I feel like I'm gonna just fall down the stairs, I'm like, this is fucking stupid.
The gym I used to go to, I'd get done leg daying. You have to get to the locker room. You have to go upstairs, and I would always just be like,
I gotta go downstairs and it hurts, man. Like every step you feel like your leg might give out, but it doesn't. And you're just like, shit, wobbles.
I've noticed that after leg day, I'll go get on the treadmill for like 5 minutes and just walk, and it helps a lot. I miss my quads, man. I had some pretty nasty looking quads. I used to be able to leg
I'm
press
getting there, man.
so
I always had
much.
pretty thin legs, but they probably like doubled in size since I really started hitting the gym again. I was like, I can do it all. Because I used to do it like where I could only get to the gym 2 days a week sometimes, so I do upper body. You know, I'd never do my lower. Now
Could just
I've been
do a
going
total
3 to
body.
4.
You could just do like a little bit of everything type of workout.
Yeah, I started doing shit like that too. I like to go like 4 to 5 times a week. That's like my ideal.
Yeah, I mean, if you're going 4 or 5 times a week, you can split it up. But if you're only going 2 or 3 times, it's probably better to try to do like a total body.
So now that I'm going 4 to 5, I just rotate. So I do, I'll do all my push exercise, all my pull exercise legs, push exercise, pull exercise legs, and I just rotate.
I think back to like when I like really went at it, and I was, at the gym 6 days a week. 3 of those days I was playing racquetball for 2 to 3 hours at a time. And it's like, I wish I had that kind of extra time now. Like, go up there just to lift, and chill out, talk to people for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, let alone the time to get there and come back.
I'm like 50 minutes to the gym, and I just fucking go in and kick my ass, and then leave. 15 minutes to an hour. I'll tell you, and especially with the way I'm doing it, because I'm doing like chest and shoulders, back and biceps. I'm not doing like full body or anything.
Yeah.
So if you're just working out like that, you can do it in less than an hour. And I don't really take a lot of break time in between sets either. I just fucking go.
Oh, you're not supposed to. I think it's like the max is like 2 minutes if you're lifting heavy. If you're lifting light, it's supposed to be a minute.
Yeah, if I take a minute, I'm pushing it.
But I mean, if you're lifting heavy, you should give yourself more time because I
don't lift that heavy anymore, man. I do lower weight, higher reps nowadays.
Gotcha. Yeah, then a minute's good.
I think for me, getting older, I'm looking more just to, stay in shape and continue going. I'm not looking to get massive or anything.
All right, guys.
Giving up hope on that.
I'm gonna end the stream. I'll be in the Discord for a little bit, so if you want to come in there, feel free.
It was really not even that healthy to get too big.
I'll talk to you in there. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling better. I do feel like today could be a turning day. My body itself feels better. I know I definitely don't sound better, but my body does feel better than it did yesterday. So we'll see if this continues throughout the day. I'm gonna try to get some more rest and all that good stuff. So I'll see you tomorrow and later. Peace.
So obviously, to get that big, you got to be doing drugs anyway. I can't imagine doing roids, man. That's just, I couldn't do that. One time when I was younger, I took a testosterone supplement that's supposed to help you kind of break through plateaus, and that shit worked. That's just illegal now. They do say though, after I think 35 or